हेलो टाइम ट्विस्ट फैमिली, मैं हूं एसके और आपका स्वागत है हर नए क्विज में। अगर आप पहली बार यहाँ हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि कोई भी क्विज मिस ना हो। तो बिना कुछ और बोले चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का क्विज। हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ नेशन इन इंडिया? ए भगत सिंह, बी सुभाष चंद्र बोस, सी महात्मा गांधी, डी जवाहरलाल नेहरू। The correct answer is D. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which freedom fighter famously said, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom"? A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Sardar Patel, D. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is A. Subhash Chandra Bose. Who led the Salt March during the Indian independence movement? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Patel, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is D. Mahatma Gandhi. What was the real name of the freedom fighter popularly known as Netaji? A. Mohandas Karamchand, B. Rajendra Prasad, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the leader of the Indian National Congress when India gained independence? A. Sardar Patel, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which freedom fighter is known for his role in the Quit India movement? A. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the first president of independent India? A. Rajendra Prasad, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Patel, D. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. The correct answer is A. Rajendra Prasad. Which freedom fighter is often referred to as the Iron Man of India? A. Bhagat Singh, B. Sardar Patel, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Jawaharlal Nehru. The correct answer is B. Sardar Patel. Who wrote the famous patriotic song Vande Mataram? A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Bhagat Singh, D. Bank Chandra Chattopadhyay. The correct answer is D. Bank Chandra Chattopadhyay. In which country did Nelson Mandela fight against apartheid? A. Kenya, B. South Africa, C. Nigeria, D. Zimbabwe. The correct answer is B. South Africa. Who is known as the Lion of Punjab and played a crucial role in the Indian independence movement? A. Bhagat Singh, B. Lala Lajpat Rai, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The correct answer is B. Lala Lajpat Rai. Which freedom fighter is associated with the Chittagong Armory raid? A. Khudiram Bose, B. Chandrasekhar Azad, C. Bhagat Singh, D. Surya Sen. The correct answer is D. Surya Sen. Who was the leader of the Indian National Army? A. Subhash Chandra Bose, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Lala Lajpat Rai, D. Sardar Patel. The correct answer is A. Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Annie Besant, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. The correct answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? A. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, B. Rani Lakshmibai, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Kamala Nehru. The correct answer is C. Sarojini Naidu. Which freedom fighter was the founder of the Indian National Congress? A. Dadabhai Naoroji, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C. Bipin Chandra Pal, D. Lala Lajpat Rai. The correct answer is A. Dadabhai Naoroji. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Kamala Nehru. The correct answer is C. Indira Gandhi. Which leader is known for his role in the Bardoli Satyagraha? A. Sardar Patel, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is A. Sardar Patel. Who is considered the frontier Gandhi for his role efforts in the Khilafat movement? A. Khan Abul Ghaffar Khan, B. Abul Kalam Azad, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. The correct answer is A. Khan Abul Ghaffar Khan. Who led the Dandi March in 1930 as a protest against the salt tax? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Sardar Patel, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is D. Mahatma Gandhi. Which Indian state was the birthplace of Bhagat Singh? A. Punjab, B. Bihar, C. Maharashtra, D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is A. Punjab. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? A. Dadabhai Naoroji, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C. Bipin Chandra Pal, D. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The correct answer is A. Dadabhai Naoroji. Which freedom fighter is associated with the Kakori conspiracy? A. Chandrasekhar Azad, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Ram Prasad Bismil, D. Surya Sen. The correct answer is C. Ram Prasad Bismil. Who was the first woman to become the Chief Minister of an Indian state? A. Mamata Banerjee, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Jayalalitha, D. Mayawati. The correct answer is C. Jayalalitha. Which Indian state was the birthplace of Mangal Pandey, a key figure in the Indian Rebellion of 1857? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Bihar, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh.